Take a bowl, then add salt. Salt, half tablespoon salt. Then add 1 tablespoon soda powder. Then add 3.5 spoon sugar. A glass water, 1 glass water. Then mix it well. Mix well. Then add food color. Small pinch food color. Then mix it well. 3/4 maida added. Then mix it well. One by 4 rice powder, mix it. Then mix it. The batter is ready. Close it. Rest for 15 minutes. Take 3 to go to last banana and peel it. Cut it. Split the splendor. The batter is ready. Take a pan, put the stove flame on high flame. Sunflower or cooking oil 300 ml to the pan. Take a piece of banana, dip the batter. Put into the hot oil. Flame low, low flame. 5 minutes cook one side. Next 5 minutes for another side cook. Low flame. When it is ready, change it to a serving bowl. The very tasty banana recipe is ready. Try the recipe today. Thank you for watching.